Greetings. After installing lots of applications, your computer finally becomes less responsive. One reason is that the built-in uninstaller often leaves orphaned folders, files or registry entries. In the worst case, this can lead to Windows no longer functioning properly. Let's uninstall Google Chrome using the built-in uninstaller. The program has not been uninstalled completely. In this video, you will learn how to completely uninstall software using a free software. Let's quickly reinstall Google Chrome. Let's download Geek Uninstaller. I'll put a link to the description. There are two versions available. Click on the download button. On the left hand, select Geek Uninstaller Free. Save the file, then unzip it. Run the application. The user interface is self-explanatory. In the main window, you see a bunch of desktop software packages. Select Google Chrome, then right-click and uninstall the application. In the first step, the built-in uninstaller will uninstall the app. Geek Uninstaller will later scan for leftover traces. Press Finish to delete the files, folders, and registry settings. Hit Close. Google Chrome is gone. Select View, Windows, Store Apps to uninstall unwanted Windows applications. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.